I now progressed to having my own business within the security sector. So I do things from mobile patrols, close protection, events work, door work, static guarding. So we cover it all really. And I'm growing rapidly. And so the people now that have passed their courses are either working for myself or I've put them in touch with somebody that I work closely alongside. So different companies that I've either worked for previously or I still work alongside. So quite a few of them are in employment, earning their money and doing what they need to do. So I always recommend Communities for Work because I think what they do is brilliant. They help people get the training that they need and get to build a brighter future for themselves, and that's proved it. I still stay in contact with the people that were on that course, and each and every one of them passed. Each and every one of them is now doing something with that qualification. So it's not just a case of, oh, I need to get it done, just to look good on paper, and then it just sits in a drawer gathering dust. They're all working with their SIA license now, whether it be doors, static guarding, mobile patrols. They're all out there, and they're doing great. So everybody has the opportunity to work and live, and I don't care what background you come from, what issues you have. My door is always open. If you want to work and you want to be the best version of you and you want to be absolutely amazing, I will try and help and nurture that by giving you a job if you have the relevant qualification to do so. And working alongside Tyler helps me see these people. And that's what they are people, and they all deserve an opportunity, and that's what Powys County Council and that department does. It gives people the opportunity. So